This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 3rd, 2019. This one here, I gotta go check out an AC unit, new customer, down by the water, rich area. Says one of her units isn't running. So she don't seem to think it's that old. We'll have to take a look when we get there to see what's going on with it.
1/4 mile. Turn left on Bonds Corner Mall Road.
Try to get you some shots.
On the right.
A couple of towns over. Got extra filters up here. Let's check our filters. Yeah, nice and clean. Well, that's fine. One here and there's one down there. We'll have to open it up, check that filter there before we run it. Alright, the filter's nice and clean, so that's not an issue. We'll be able to run them, see what's going on. One of them's not working. There's all kinds of muck right there. See that muck? That's enough to give you a screwing. Yeehaw! Alright, the filters are fine. We'll go outside and we'll run it and check it. Way up here, look at all this blown in stuff. Looking crazy.
What's your first name?
Steve.
I'll tell you this, Steve. The lady that lives next door
Yeah.
here, she said the other day, I got out and she left me a message and she heard a horrible clank over here with my AC. I don't know. I never heard it before.
Unbelievable, I can't even get my wrenches in there.
Oh, you have to. The other guy could.
Well, I'll have to get a different type of wrench. Can't even get the wrench in there, it's like ridiculous. Compressor's running. Major leak somewhere. 410A, major leak somewhere. Not good. Wow. She's a leaker. Have to come back and check for the leak. I get a little bit more time. Put some Freon in it for now for Get her cooling. There's the modeling serial number of the unit. Giving a little bit more juice here. Alright guys, we've got some Freon back in it for now, and I'll have to come back. I'm going to put some nice caps on this thing and come back when I get a little bit more time and check for, see if I can find out where the leak is for this lady. It's not that old of a system. I'd rather see the guy that put it in come back and fix the flipping thing, but not easy being cheesy, mama. Alright, we got it back together. I did check it. Straight cores with Nylog, and I see them leaking. I'm gonna go up in the attic and see which system this is that's leaking, the smaller one or the bigger one. She's got Freon. She got a cooling for now. She's got a leak somewhere. One with the leak here. Plastic piece of shit. Looks like a little 24. I mean, leak could be anywhere. Leak could be anywhere. I'll have to come back when I get more time and see if I can find it. Dirt lines, this is on the second floor. They go down in this foam stuff down in the walls. If it's leaking in there, she's gonna be screwed. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Nope. It's set for 71, so that's fine. I'll cool down for now. That's Miss Molly. That's Miss Molly. My buddy.